Welcome to today's video, where we'll be exploring one of the most popular interview questions in Java programming, implementing an LRU cache with a 5-element limit. If you're a Java developer or aspiring to become one, this topic is crucial for you to understand. Caches are used extensively in various applications to improve performance by reducing the time it takes to access frequently used data. In this video, we'll delve into the world of caching and explain how to implement an LRU cache with a 5-element limit using java.way. By the end of this video, you'll have a thorough understanding of what an LRU cache is, how it works, and how to implement it in your own project. So, let's start by understanding what an LRU cache is. LRU stands for least recently used, which means that the cache stores a limited number of items, and when the cache reaches its limit, it removes the least recently used item to make room for new ones. Imagine you have a small store with only 5 shelves. You can't keep all your products on display, so you decide to keep only the top 5 most frequently bought items on the shelf. When someone buys an item that's not currently on the shelf, you remove the least recently bought item from the shelf and replace it with the new one. This way, you ensure that your customers always find what they need quickly. In Java, we can implement this behavior using a combination of data structures, a hash map for storing key-value pairs, and a doubly linked list for keeping track of the order in which items were accessed. Here's how it works. When an item is added to the cache, it's stored in both the hash map and the linked list. When an item is accessed, we move it to the front of the linked list. Why? This ensures that the most recently used items are always at the beginning of the list. When the cache reaches its limit and a new item needs to be added, we remove the least recently used item from the back of the linked list. This way, we ensure that only the top 5 most frequently accessed items remain in the cache. To summarize, an LRU cache with a 5-element limit is a data structure that stores a limited number of key-value pairs and removes the least recently used item when it reaches its limit. In Java, we can implement this using a hash map and a doubly linked list. The key points to remember are: store items in both a hash map and a linked list. Move accessed items to the front of the linked list. Remove the least recently used item from the back of the linked list when the cache reaches its limit. That's it for today's video on implementing an LRU cache with a 5-element limit in Java. I hope you now have a clear understanding of how to implement this crucial data structure. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more programming tutorials and explanations. What other topics would you like us to cover next? Let us know in the comments section, and we'll do our best to create content that's helpful and informative for you.